Hey creators! Welcome back to NeoDesign Lab. Today, I'm introducing you to a completely free and unlimited AI video generator that you probably haven't heard of yet. It's called Yuewen AI. Unlike platforms like Runway, Veo, or Hailuo, which often require credits or subscriptions, Yuewen is totally free and gives you unlimited access, right now. What is Yuewen? Yuewen is a China-based AI video generation tool that supports both text-to-video and image-to-video creation. The interface is in Chinese, but using Google Translate with Chrome makes it easy to navigate. Key features. You can generate short videos, around 4 to 8 seconds, with just a prompt. It includes themes like sci-fi, cityscapes, and fantasy, and automatically adds camera direction and mood to your prompt. There's even a "Surprise Me" button that generates random creative prompts. How to sign up. The site requires a mobile number for registration, but you don't need a Chinese phone number. Just use a free online SMS service to get a temporary +1 US number, enter it, and get your code. Once you're logged in, you're ready to generate videos. No limits, no payment, no credit countdown. Generate a video step by step. Upload an image if you're doing image to video. Then describe your scene to ChatGPT or Mistral AI something like, "I want to create image to video from this image, poopy, lost and scary, give me a video prompt for Yuewen AI." Paste the prompt into Yuewen, choose your video style and camera setting, then click generate. In a few minutes, your video will be ready to download. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, short-form social media, or AI-enhanced storytelling, Yuewen gives you speed and quality with no restrictions. Want to go further? Check out our video on Turn Text into Video with Hailuo and ChatGPT plus ElevenLabs voiceover to complete your AI content pipeline. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you'd like us to explore more AI tools here on Neo.